So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day with some news in the morning. Now, the price looks like it did some break of a structure, and now here we need to wait the retracement. Not another option more than wait the retracement for open the long position. So, well, let's see what we have. Your patience, your patience. Okay, let me check here. Mm. So well, let's wait these 2 minutes. The price is trying to go up more than 48. But well, hard reaction. We have two possible positions: 47.85 or 47.75. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let's be patient at this moment. Don't take positions just because you want to take positions. That's not a great plan. Remember, try to understand here. It's the plan always is wait. Always is wait. So well, let's see. Remember, try to help me with the likes. Almost 500 people is seeing this stream and just 17 likes. I appreciate if you help me with that. Let me see. And remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the promformatch.com. There you will see a really good options, really good discounts according to your necessities there, guys. So it's really simple. Just click into the link, click into the link into the chat or into the description. There you will see your options. Remember, all the companies listed there are the most trustable companies into the market. So if you pass the challenge, they will pay you with no problems. But first, remember, check the information, check the reviews, check the prices for sure. That depends of you. Okay. So make me a favor and click into the link. So well, let me read the chat. Mhm. Okay, good morning everyone there. Qué bonito, mi amigo, estás por aquí. Patricia Martínez también. Buenos días. Okay. I don't know why. I don't know when you come online at all. Just active the notifications. Active the notifications into YouTube. Or just go into the Telegram. There I will always inform when I'm going to start. Lewis, welcome, my friend. Elphonize is here. Working process is here. Just Smart is here too. Granja Monedas, mi amigo. Buenos días. Italia Channel está aquí también. Hello from Europe. What part of Europe? Goran. Goran Stefan. Sounds like Italy or something like this. Ok, yo esperando aún. Ok, Mark Salas, es por aquí, muy bien. Buenos días. Atul from India, welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Forza, pura vida, mi amigo. No, estamos esperando, como siempre. Macedonia. Great. Nice place. Thanks, Atula. Pikachu, our new funded trader, is here. That's great. Ali, yes, the 100% Lincoln, the 100% welcome bonus is valid with no problem. Remember, selling is the trader the broker where you are seeing here. So you will see a platform same as me if you sell him. So, or if you want to use MT5, that's okay too. Ali69, there is the link. Just click into the link and you will see the options, my friend. From Uzbekistan. Cuando compras desde Chile, mi amigo, buenos días. Aquí el precio está teniendo bastante problema para pasar el 48. Así que bueno, estamos esperando. Veremos qué pasa. As the short of yes, for Nasdaq, it's a position, but I'm waiting around 25 700, 25 750, around those points. The price go up and then give us the confirmation, because the price now it's into the daily sun. Seto from Mexikistan. So beautiful. Many people for different countries. Almost 550 people. It's opening the well, it's into the chat, but not too much people. supporting with the likes, guys. I appreciate if you help me with the likes, please. Sorry. De Paraguay, set to de Paraguay. Bueno, igual bienvenido, mi amigo. Be more patient with my trades after watching your trade. Perfect, my friend. That's the idea. That's the idea. If you follow the instructions here, if you are patient, you will growing up as a trader. As simple as yesterday, I was in a nice podcast. The guys asked me about the what is the key. What is the key of successful? Um, the key of successful it's just wait the correct prices, wait the correct entries, wait the correct confirmations, and that's all. But if you don't wait that information, probably you will lose your entries, and that's all. Random entries always will give you a stop loss with no problems. Yesterday, for example, we did a really nice rate for a full take profit. The entry wasn't the best entry, but at least there it gave us the stop loss survive and then give us 300 pips with many problems. But well, at the end, it's like this. It's pure patience, just waiting, and let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Pure patience, exactly, Lewis. Do you use ICT? No, I don't use ICT. Buenos días, Messenger, mi amigo, pura vida. A good profits. I'm from 4764. Beautiful, beautiful loan, my friend. Hold your blue numbers as much as you can. That's great. Yesterday trade was awesome. Yes, was nice recover. Um, well, the many people, many people get a really good profits yesterday. That's great. Quiero aprender cómo operas, claro. No es gratuito, pero ahí tienen las opciones. Dentro de WhatsApp, para aprender a operar, yo recomendaría lo que es Discord. Ahí doy toda la información necesaria para operar la estrategia que yo utilizo. What is your strategy? My strategy is the volume sums. I use the volume as a reference for generate my sums and generate my entries. Buy TP 48.99. That's good TP. Yesterday, when the trade was negative, many people say like for sure we will see today the 46, the 45. Well, now we're in 48. What the 30 user? Okay, already. ¿Cuántas operaciones tomas al día? En promedio de 2 a 3 operaciones por día. Yesterday was my favorite day so far. I made 50% of my capital on that Vegas. Beautiful. That's great. That's pretty good percentage. So so now it's time to rest. It's time to rest. Yesterday was my favorite day. Okay, I understand now today. That Vegas. Well, that's great. That's beautiful. And thanks for sharing with us your experience with the trade. That's great. That's nice. Strategy Ali 77. I already told you my strategy depends of the volume zones. So for what happened here, now the price is going up for more and more. Probably we will test the sell zone. Then we need to take the decision there into the sell zone. Not a retracement. That's so painful when the price don't give us a retracement. Oh, well, it's part of the um, it's part of the days of news for today. So that it happens. And Arito, I see that we almost have the same training when I observe you and also copy you the past weeks to know. Are you also trading key levels? Because I am. No, I don't care about the key levels, but I use the volume songs, volume. So all the strategy most of the time is the same. Just the only difference is the patience and the confirmations what we have. Okay, so yeah, my advice is just take one strategy and make that strategy your strategy. Don't change your strategy because one month is pretty bad and the next month I will test another strategy. No, just try to test same strategy three 3 months at least, and then if you don't like it, you can change. You know, but use the same strategies. All the things is the same. The only difference is the patience, how much pain you are able to understand. You need to understand you're painful when you're losing, or you're not to understand your stress when you're winning. Your feelings is pretty important, and that's the only difference. Keep under control the feelings and everything. That's the most what you need to understand in trading. The Kiriko Rapid are happening now. Yes, probably now. Now we're out of the zones, so we need to wait the retracement around 47.85 or just a confirmation around 48.36.35. I lost 50% of my balance because of my greedy. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. You need to understand. Uh, Being a greedy, it's pretty difficult. Um, and well, if you don't understand when you need to stop, that's the other problem. That's the other problem. Well, lose them and recover. As I keep going or relax. If just relax, my friend. Tomorrow probably you're going to do it better. Rusan 747. Just relax and turn off the computer. Exactly, Emonito. Good advice. Thanks to you, Emmanuel Conde, for share your experience. Para el Nasdaq utilizo misma estrategia. Sí, utilizo misma estrategia para Bitcoin, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Todo. Lo que pasa es que está subiendo, ¿verdad? Tenía presupuestado hacer una venta en Nasdaq y sigue subiendo bastante fuerte. Veremos qué pasa dentro de el 25.750. Para el oro, igual, sigue fuerte. Possible bust. The bust is there. The break of structure is there. So, probably if the price come back to 47.90, it's an option. But at this moment, the structure looks really, really strong. Okay. I want to scalper. Evolution left now. Jesus, get out of my channel. Namaste from India. Welcome, Sunrise. Yesterday trade was crazy, a real roller coaster, and turned out to be amazing. Yes, it was a beautiful trade. But that's the thing. Yesterday we followed the strategy, pure patience, and what happened at the end with pure patience. I would say many people closed the position, because of the people into the experts into the chat say like the goal will touch the 46, the 45, and well, at the end it didn't happen. But congratulations for the ones who ignored that people and continue with this beautiful trade. Well, the beautiful trade from yesterday. It's one to okay. I don't think today will come. No, if it don't come to that price, we will change the information. Okay. Estamos esperando aún, todavía no está nada confirmado. Así que es pura paciencia. It's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience, and that's all. Sometimes I use support and resistance as a reference to for for the break of a structure and everything. But yes, I'm use support as reference. But for check the break of a structure, not for clarify if that position it's I need to open that position or not. So yes. Mm. So well, do you take any trading learning session? I want to learn to trade like you. You're awesome, perfect, JMD. Yes, but the guy who explained me, gave me the basis of trading. He just speaking Spanish, just in case. But if you want to learn, my friend, welcome to the Discord. There, I explain the strategy with no problems. I'm there giving support. Of course, it's not for free, but there, just click into the link and you will see the prices. The minimum prices is the Telegram access for $192. Okay, how much long? Okay, Chunk Lee is here. Welcome, my friend. Here, please give us more trade. Well, just waiting, guys. As you can see, a good reaction here. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Gold profits now with the last liquidity and grab the sell to 47.65. Yeah. Now the price is going back, so that's great. Let's see if we can apply for that or no. I'm waiting the Nasdaq too. I'm trying to wait get confirmation for Nasdaq, but Nasdaq is losing again the pressure. Beautiful reactions for sellers. Let's see if the pressure can give us the price go back to the 49, 47.90 at least. It depends. It depends for the next minutes. Okay. Can you please the oil? Too much spam. Good evening from India. No, I don't. Even I would say like two one entry per per month. I would say it was my expectations and everything. But well, always my son for open a loan position was around 40 60 40 55 around that point. But well, now it's impossible. By my side, I think now it's impossible to trade oil due to the things already happening with the Ormus. Well, it's better to stay away of oil. That's my recommendations. If you want to open a trade in oil and everything, that's okay. Good. So see here, enter please. I don't have an entry. I'm just waiting. And remember, guys, the packs what I have into the WhatsApp is the first one. Well, the beginner pack for the people who need support, who need ask questions, to need to clarify the strategy and everything. That's the beginner pack. The beginner pack is $269. Okay, that would include the Telegram signals, 2 4 signals per day, Discord support, daily analysis, videos support. Therein into the Discord, you can ask whatever you want. I will answer as best as I can. Just the intermediate is for the people who already know how to trade. Like take positions. They have the patience and don't need too much instructions for open a trade. There, it's just the Telegram signals into the Telegram. As just share the point of entry, the orders like sale or buy now, TPs, stop loss, and that's all. You know, clean, um, very clear. That's important. And the advance, of course, if you want to receive the personal support, is for the traders who have a little more experience. So just they want to practice the follow up, the psychology, or they need the this type of recovers, for example. They need some recovers for $5,000, $6,000. They need the personal follow up. You know, of course, we will talk by WhatsApp and everything. So yes, that's the 3 packs what I have into the WhatsApp. ¿Cuál es el porcentaje de ganancia del plan intermedio, Laurito? Pues, intermedio, bonito, eso depende de usted y su cuenta. Eh, yo tomo las entradas de acuerdo a lo que hay en esta cuenta, es el que tomo todas las entradas, es el que presento, ¿no? 95% de las entradas que uso las, son las que presento en el streaming. Y bueno, depende de cómo lo vean. A veces pierdo, a veces gano. Pero en 30 días hay un porcentaje de ganancia de un 30% de una cuenta. Entonces, ese sería un promedio, ¿verdad? Yo procuro que al menos queden un 10%, un 12% positivo en un mes malo. Mes malo puede andar 8 o 7% de ganancia. Pero eso depende de cada quien. Recuerde que yo no controlo las cuentas de ustedes, así que depende de cómo sigan las instrucciones, depende de si holdean el trade. Por ejemplo, ayer todo el mundo cerró en TP2. 90% de la gente cerró en TP2 o TP1. Solo unos pocos holdearon a TP3 y casi nadie holdeó a full take profit, ¿verdad? Entonces, eh, depende mucho de la experiencia, pero esa experiencia solo se gana intentándolo, ¿verdad? Si no se intenta, cómo, cómo va a surgir? ¿Cómo va a crecer dentro de la estrategia? Good evening, bro. Welcome, my friend. El trade de ayer fue emocionante. Pensé que sería una pérdida. BNIP, sí, es parte de un stop loss bien ubicado. Siempre es una ventaja, ¿verdad? El stop loss estuvo bien ubicado. Entonces, por eso sobrevivimos. Could you speak talk in English? I'm speaking English. Hello, Supek. Welcome, my friend. Nice to see you here. Ahorita me sobreoperé y casi quemó la cuenta. Ya aprendí la lección. Ya quemó la cuenta. Este, probablemente venga otro par de cuentas quemadas y luego de ahí aprenda la lección. Uno siempre dice, siempre que no quema la cuenta, ya aprendí, pero probablemente no. Así que es parte de no inviertan dinero que no están dispuestos a perder. Así que la próxima cuenta, hágalo, intente hacerlo lo más sobrio posible, tranquilo, sin ningún estrés ni ninguna presión. Please not lose today. We can lose today, tomorrow. It's a possibility. Always the possibility to lose the trade is there. If you don't want to lose, this is not your channel. If you are not prepared to lose, this is not your channel. And if you are not prepared to lose, trading is not a good profession for you. Because because it's always all the trades is a possibility. We can apply all our knowledge in trading, whatever whatever you want, but if you don't, you just don't understand your accounts and your emotions and everything, it's pretty difficult. Yes, try to help me with the likes. Almost 800 people is seeing the transmission and just 150 likes, guys. Please help me with that. I appreciate if you help me with this the support with the likes. Come on. Aló, ¿sabes, Muñoz? ¿Cómo ves si es bueno entrar o no? Bueno, ya vi por qué más en la cuenta, mi amigo. No, no es un buen momento para entrar. Hay que esperar el precio retroceda a las zonas de compra o a las zonas de venta. Nada más. Si va a ingresar un trade, probablemente lo vaya a perder. That was the perfect, my friend Sebastian. Welcome, welcome, my friend. How do you scale your trades? Example, yesterday you add some positions. Help me to understand. Yes, blues effects. I start with 0 to 30, for example. I start with this. Let me see on this. Where is the pencil? Where is the pencil? Brush. Hmm. Okay. I start with this 0 to 30. One position, for example, here's my position, and then the price going negative, going negative. There's my stop. And well, into the stop loss, I will add more positions, but of course, I'm not going to open the original 0.30 because by my side it's going to be I'm going to destroy the account if the if the price go to the stop loss. Okay, so I add the 10% of the 0.30. That means 0 that 0.3. Okay, if the price go back um and it's going to I don't know, like a really difficult to clarify the position and everything, nothing happened at the end. The position is going to be around 0 that um 36, for example. Yesterday, let's see the positions here. For example, yesterday there was the first position where I closed the 0.3 here. I think you can see it, but I closed the TP1 in plus $55 and plus $69. That was the first, and then I did the partial to 0.10. So that means I close in TP1 0.26 for around $200. And then just in TP3, I close 0.05. I'm holding 0.018 and it gives me $500. Yesterday, at the end of the day, it gave me almost $900 just securing the prices. Of course, it's sometimes for some people it's like, okay, no, I'm going to hold all the position, just set the break even. But when you set the break even, probably if the price go to over break even, you win, I don't know, some dollars. You can do it. It's more professional. Just hold the position, um, and that's all. That's all. Holding the position, hold the the do some partials. But I recommend at least try to go to more than the 50% of the lot size to TP2 or TP3. Okay, so that's my always my recommendation. For my son, okay, working process. That explanation was for blues effects. Is it possible to trade under 100 pips? It will be thankful to you. No, nowadays it's very difficult to trade lower than 100 pips. If your account is not ready for use more than 100 pips, it's better just trade another payers. Es una zona de volumen. No es por resistencia ni nada, es una zona de volumen en compra o volumen en venta. Sam is here. Welcome, my friend. Okay, another hour done. Mhm. Broke it. Start trade, ok. Para una cuenta de 2000, ¿qué lotaje recomiendas? 2000 puede ir sin problema con 0.08, 0.10 inclusive, dependiendo si hace doble entrada o demás, o así. Depende mucho de eso. Frecuencia oculta, va a depender mucho de eso. I'm new here. What time your trading session? I always start in New York session, my friend. No usas ningún indicador, sí, indicador de volumen. De volumen. Voy limpiando esto. Voy limpiando esto. Nos vamos a ir acercando un poco. Y vamos a cambiar aquí la zona. Y nos vamos a acercar al 47.92. So let's wait if the price can go back. Okay, guys, let's be ready. Let's be ready. We prepared the long position. We prepared the long position. Let's see. Okay, we got the 95. Could be an option or lower. Okay, we got the accumulation in 48. Let's try to wait at least 48, 47.95. Let's see. Accumulation there looks pretty good. Okay, we're back. That's great. Testing the possible zone. And well, there is. Okay, perfect. I already shared the instruction. I will open the position in 47.92. Just waiting the price touch the 92. Let's see him. Waiting this some seconds. Mm-hmm. And waiting to end this candle. Well, give us the accumulation there, so that's great in 92. It's very good. Okay, the position is open. The position is open now. Say 90, 80. Mm-hmm. Mm. 4780. Looks good. Mhm. Y aquí estaremos hablando que sería 30. 7, 30. Ah, no, 4, 8. 8, 30. Bueno, 32. Mm. Okay, good. The position is there around 47.95. 96.73. It's my point. 47. 47.80. Okay, good. It's there. Mhm. You want 11, that 50, 52, 48, that 17, 3, 48, 23, 40p, 48, 32. Okay, that's the point. Let's see the reactions there into the point of interest. Fifteen. Forty-eight. 23. Okay, let's see what we have. If you get a better position than me, 47.92, 47.90, use the same stop loss, please. Stop loss is not a negotiation, so please be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. Let's see the entry. Trying to stay there in the last two candles. Just waiting. Let's see. Hold him. So I was defending the 47.95, so that's great. Let's see the reaction. I accidentally clicked sell. So well, that's your decision. If you want to continue holding your sell, that's up to you. stop es- Mhm. So let's see what we have. Be your patience, guys. Again, if you don't like the trade, just there into the point of entry. You can take the opportunity and close it with no problems. The other ones who understand, even in this position, we can go straight to the candle for one candle, two candles for 100 pips. It will touch the stop loss. That can happen. The others just all the positions. They remember all the trades a risk. So it's going to depend for many factors. So just relax, stay quiet, focus on me. If you don't like the trade, focus on me. If you don't like the position, focus on me. If you want to insult someone, focus on me. But try to stay quiet into the chat, guys. Okay, that's pretty important. Stay quiet into the chat. That's a must. Okay, first we need to pass the 48. That's the point of reaction for sellers. Mhm. 78. Ba-ba-ba. I was seeing is thinking about the stop loss. Okay, no parking is key is here. Waiting and let's see what happened the next 10 minutes. Spare patience. Is there a mobile app for XELLION? I think yes. If you want to, even if you want to use your cell phone, I recommend just use the MT5, my friend. That's easier. You can link your selling account with your MT5, MT4 with no problems. There is a link, BJ. So you can see selling looks pretty nice, pretty good. The green numbers is here. So well, let's see if we can touch the 48.11. 48.11 is for around 150 pips. Just take a look the smallest time frame that's in the reaction and just trying to say the closure of the candle and decay. Only by the time the reaction could happen. Uh, Italia channel. I always check the 1 hour candle. I always check the 1 hour candle for clarify the point of entry. But well, I said like my point of entry was in 47.92. When I shared the order into the Telegram, the price was in 47.92. But when I execute the trade, the price was in 47.96. Well, made some pips, and that thing happens. Entras a XELLION y le das poner pantalla de inicio y te queda la app perfecto. Frecuencia oculta, gracias por la información. I just use XELLION en el, into the computer because I know me. If I have the app, probably I'm going to always check the prices and everything. So for that reason, I just skip to use this into my cell phone. But if you want to use it by your cell phone, XELLION will give you the option to. The link is there, for sure. It depends of your preference. I prefer just use it into the computer. Let's see and expect the last 6 candles can give us something good. So a good reaction. Okay, I'm going to final TP with you, Don Tom. Hopefully we can touch the TP, the full TP, for sure. Laurito, el momento de analizar el gráfico, tomas en cuenta el volumen. Sí, y el volumen. El volumen depende de la estrategia. $25, thanks for Balok. A pleasure, my friend. Should be at TP1. Let's expect the TP1. Yo gané 50 en este trade. En el próximo trade contigo no corro riesgo. Yo gané 50 en este trade. Ok, perfecto. Bien, pues, si ya cerraste la operación, está bien. Do you think we can hit the TP1? Yes, I think we can take the TP1. But first, the price is a must to end more than 48. 48. In the next 4 minutes, ending more than 48. Is enough for you. $240 per day. Isn't enough for you. $240 per day. Uh, no. No, for example, yesterday was almost $900. So that is enough for me. $900 per day. We're also with you, bro. Perfect. So we wait. Good. Let's see. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. We were in negative some minutes ago. Now we are in positive. So let's see what happened. Do you think, or we know, we'll hit the TP3? Some breakout goes for praying so high again. Emmanuel, yes, probably yes. But let's see again. 48.17 is strongest resistance there. So probably we will touch the TP2 and then we will see a hard reaction. Okay. This is the last two candles. Let's see what happened. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. It's going to be lovely if this candle ends as a engulfing candle. Okay. Uh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes for clarify this candle. That's great. Looks ending with a good volume. Ending with a good volume. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Let's expect something good. In the next candles. Okay, almost there. Now the other point to break is the 48.05. At least in 50 minutes, we break the 48. The 48, ending in 48.02. So, well, let's expect something good in the next candles. So that's great. Probably we will touch the TP1. Ok, ya voy, mi amor. Ya llego, dígale a su mamá. So, well, that's great. Great reaction, great candle. But again, I prefer the last five gives that type of reactions because it's very difficult that in 50 minutes the price will continue like this. But well, it doesn't matter if the price touch DP1. Price is trying to go there. Now we need to pass the 48.10. That's the point. Let's see. Okay. Trust 71. If I were, I will just put 10,000 as capital. I can withdraw all profits. It's no reason to investment money and then just withdraw all your profits every day. It's not sense. Okay, one of the best traders. Thanks, my friend. Are these counters are looking good? Yes, it's looking pretty good. Within the best rating in the space, his risk management is top notch. Perfect, my friend. Thanks for that. Have just traded three favors. That's it. Great reaction. Exactly, great reaction. You are the poorest, rich trader. You are poorest rich trader I've ever seen. Yes, I look pretty poor, but I'm not poor, and I like my setup. It looks pretty. My wife did it. For that reason, I like it. TP3. Trust go back home. Okay, I follow with Lorito for a while and trade myself. I focus on reactions and key levels, not just strengths. I reach 0.6% per trade. I follow my own rules for exit and holding. Perfect, my friend. Follow your according to your necessities. If you exit, that's great. So well, just waiting, guys. Here again. This is the last 10 minutes. Almost TP1. Just for 10 pips, we didn't touch TP1. Well, TP1 is for 145 pips, just in case. So let's see. You're pretty chill. You're pretty sure. What about the key sounds? How do you identify those? I want to do it for album 22. My friend, if you want to learn about the strategy, just go into the WhatsApp. There, I recommend the beginner pack. It's for Discord plus Telegram. It's not for free. You need to pay, but you will see a really good information there, guys. Can I enter now? No. Should I deposit 100? Then I after profit withdraw my 100. No, if you are going to do an investment in a broker, just keep your capital safe, but working with your money. You know, you already invest $100, and then you did another $100. Continue. If you did, if you change the $100, um, and then just go there, like with your profits and arrive to 1,000 there. When you did the 1,000, you can withdraw your first um, $100. Okay. By my side, of course, it's very easy to say because sometimes I need some money. Everyone here saw the withdrawals, what I do for this account. But well, this is the part. Okay, TP1 guys, TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. Everyone it's now, please. Partials and break even, please. TP1 win plus 145 pips plus B. Now it's time to be and break even. Break even it's now. Partials and break even, guys. Share your profits at this point. No, I don't care. Thanks, but I don't care. So well, partials, break even. At first, I was very confused about finding entries, but following Laurito has helped me a lot. Trunk, that's the idea. That's the idea, my friend. Good. Perfect. TP1, $48. That's great. $48. TP1, $240. Beautiful. $16. That's great. Book the 50% and B. Perfect. How many lots I need to take for $2,000? 0.10 will be fine. So guys, good job. $48 TP1. And now TP1 looks like it's not too much, but it's almost 150 pips. It's too much. Let's see if we can go to the TP2. So great. That's great. Let's see for the TP2, guys. I already answered that question, I think. Okay, $40 for water. Mark Salas, $986, mi amigo, excelente. Esos lotajes están un poco altos, pero bueno, muy bien. Si lo lograste, está excelente. What is the downside of using the Sen account? Okay, I don't know about the Sense account. Black Bear Studios, $32. Lee, I already answered you. So, well, guys, remember um, the uh, the access for the Telegram is not for free. It's $192. $192. The Telegram is not for free, and the only way to get the access it's by WhatsApp. I started trading in June with 100. Well, when I price react, scalped. Okay, perfect. Bro, guess what happened? Beautiful. I still holding the position, and in B, um, for the profit of today and yesterday, 1,000 rewards. So that's great. Thank you so much, Lorito. You made my target for today and about of the trade. Perfect. Alex Box Gaming. Ah, excelente, mi amigo. Muy bien. For 2000, it's 0.10. It's okay. Telegram is $192, Laurito, exactly. 2 4 entries per day. Nowadays, it's difficult to generate 4 entries, but I appreciate the patience for the people, you know. Yeah, no Porsches with 0.01. Um, exactly. With 0.01, no Porsches. Just you have the option to set the B and hold the TP2, for example. Now we are in break even. Let's see what happened. My idea with this just arrived to the 5,000 and did a nice withdrawal, or 20,000 in positive. Another 10,000. That would be nice. Mm. But let's see. Let's see. How did you determine the entry point? Um, because I wait the confirmation first. Here, for example, I determine the entry point in 92 because we got here the break of a structure. The break of a structure is here, guys. The break of a structure is here. Um, for that reason, I just wait the retracement and then I open in the trade. Okay. Break of a structure near to 47.90, waiting the retracement. Then I wait the retracement. When I open the trade, 47.96, that was not the best position. But when I shared the entry into the Telegram, the price was in 47.92. So probably some people get the better position than me, and they got some minutes for open the trade early in that position. They received the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, 8 minutes for open the trade. Around 10 minutes just for open the trade. near to the 47.92 and 47.94. So that was a great opportunity. Many people can take it, and that was great. We opened the trade here according the break-off structure. Break-off structure plus volume bison. I'm from India. How to join BIP group? My friend, just go into the WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp there. Just remember, it's not for free. It's a $192. Okay, $192. From my experience, I don't trade here that trend. Just capital almost blew my account. Okay, reduce it, my friend. 192 fees, exactly 192 fees. This is just one payment, guys. One payment for the rest of your life. Okay, it's not like renewal for every month or something like this. No, it's just one payment, and you will receive the information there, clean, on time. Skip the noise into the chat. Just me talking into the Telegram channel. Of course, the extra trades during Tokyo session, and the method of payments it's by PayPal, USD. Streaming timings, active the notifications, my friend. New York session, New York session. I always start New York session. Again, Telegram for up, it's $192. One payment. One payment for the rest of your life. Okay. TP1. TP1, remember, I don't know if someone is holding. ¿Qué dijo? Para cuando compras aquí, básicamente tenemos una ruptura de, de estructura. Tenemos una ruptura de estructura y por eso este soporte se quebró. Por eso simplemente esperamos el retroceso, que fue esta caída, y de ahí nos fuimos hacia arriba. Muy bien, entonces era el punto aproximado, eran 47.90, 47.95. Cuando envié la confirmación en el Telegram, estaba en 47.92. Entonces tuvieron los de la gente de Telegram, tuvo aproximadamente 15 minutos para abrir la operación a tiempo y tomar el profit, ¿verdad? cerca de los 47.92. Eso es lo que estaba explicando Econocompras. Still holding 200 up so far. Perfect. Almost TP2, guys. Almost to almost TP2. I don't know if someone is holding. Thanks for the explanation. Now I'll see how you identify the entry point. Perfect, my friend Dimit. That's the idea. That's the idea. Let's see the TP2, guys. Okay. TP2, it's coming. I don't know if someone continue with the same trade. No hay venta todavía. La venta sería hasta 48.50. Falta mucho. WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is here. The WhatsApp is there. Almost touched DP1. The 48.16. How many transactions per day do you make? Two, nowadays, 3 entries per day. Sometimes just one. Guys, speaking English. One Italian messages more, and I will block that messages. Yes, 3 entries per day is the normal. But well, it's it depends, It depends of the day. Nowadays, it's pretty difficult to clarify, identify that information. You know, well, it's the situation what we have between the Iran and United States, and what. Hola, Laurito, ¿cómo andas? Un saludo de Italia. Excelente, mi amigo. Pura vida. I'm glad, Laurito, today no bad comment. No, just one guy. Just one guy for, let me mention him because I always, uh, just the Truce 71. He thinks I'm poor. The other one was for Auxin here. He thinks the price will touch the stop loss for 47.80, but well, unfortunately for the rest of the people here, it didn't touch that prices and touch first the TP1. Thanks you, Laurito. $160. Perfect, my friend. That's great. And again, just a friendly reminder. Um, the Telegram access is not for free. Okay. Well, guys, remember if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts. Okay, so just go there and you will see the options there, guys. The top discounts for Profit Match, many options, different companies for sure. Before apply um, any company, just go there and click into the information, guys. For sure, if you want to work with them, create an account, make a review, or just read the reviews. For sure, it will help you a lot. Okay, so the link is into the description and the link is into the chat. Andrés Duarte, si no entró en la compra ahorita, ya no puedes entrar. So well, guys, now my B is into the 47.98. I will change it to 48. No, 47.90. No, 99. But 50. Mhm. Okay, my B is into 47.99.50, holding the TP2, holding the TP3. Okay, correcto, Andrés, ya no. Si no se tomó la entrada a tiempo, ya no. Muy buen trade, Marcos. Perfecto, un placer. Hi, can you please see in the Discord of Farsa? Farsa for sure. I will say the Discord. I can say the. Well, I think you need to tag me. Tag me. Because. And I'm seeing oil. Let me see. Is there Farsa's grand there? It's here. Perfect, Farsa. Let's see. What is your opinion for the British pound? Let's see the British. The option for sell into the Nasdaq is totally invalid at this point. Just in case, for that reason, I didn't. Okay, it's going back the price. Looks beautiful. The price looks pretty well there. Good, beautiful, perfect prices. So there, just we need to wait the confirmations. Mm-hmm. There we are. Good. Let's wait the candle confirmation into the 15 minutes. Perfect. Faris, I already answered you into the Discord. Now the price is falling, but just you need to wait the candle confirmation. Cerrar el Nasdaq es que punto mucha fuerza, exacto, sí. They see, okay, okay, guys, speak in English, speak in English. Vamos a ver, otro usuario, 5 minutes. Otro usuario, 5 minutes. Speak in English. English, guys, English. English. Selling is a good broker for Europe. I'm not sure it will have a spread because of distance. Nope. They have a different accounts, the raw spread, standard accounts, um, zero spread. But there's something what you need to be clear, Winterson. It's the Europe It's a must. You have the wallet. To add the money, it's by USDT, and for withdrawal, the money is for USDT. Skipping the fees for the banks and everything. Europe is the only option for USDT. I know the people from Europe, for the people for United States, enjoy the taxes and everything, but well, I don't. So my recommendation is, if you share my mind, like I don't like to pay the fees for international withdrawals, that type of fict- fictitious fees. Use Cellium, you know, by USDT, and it's very easy. What is your win rate? My win rate is good. It's good. More than 70%, I would say, per month. Think you have a link here? Yes, I shared the link. I already shared the link. The link is into the chat. Podemos pensar en una venta si se da el doji. No. Keep simple. If many people are waiting around 0306, you feel more confident. Um, yes, probably yes. I'm not sure. Uh, you know why? Because he doesn't just think it's going down, and he waits for confirmation. Yes, waiting the confirmation here. Let's see what we have. For your patience. Oh, thanks a lot, Winter. Thanks a lot for your questions. Who is holding? Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Okay, perfect. Chuck Lee is holding as me. Perfect, my friend. Still holding good. Holding with you. Perfect. I still be already set. Perfect, my friend. Second win trade today. Perfect, my friend. Come on, TP3. Yes, speak only English. The Italians, guys, I muted for some minutes. Sorry for that, my friend, but here is just um, English or Spanish. Hold it for full TP. Perfect. I wish it did, but profit is profit today. Perfect, my friend. That's great. Is this your main job? Profession trading? Yes, that's my main job. That's my only profession. Thank you for the masterclass, my friend. It's a pleasure. I've been following you. Your English is good, to be fair. Perfect, my friend. My personal indicator traits 80 trades a day, 80%. Jesus, 80 trades per day, it's too much. I know you only do one trade, but at what point your personal enters you sell? 48.50. How much did you start with or use the prop firm? Yes, I start with the prop firm. Then I just uh, save money, good withdrawals, keeping consistent. And well, then I did a deposit for 10,000. Um, we'll continue. I would say I don't. This is my investing for the long term. All the process was recorded into the channel for around more than 2 years, and well, that was great. And drop like on the video for a great profit today. Yes, try to help me with the likes and 300 likes and 800 people is seeing the stream. So help me with that, guys. I really appreciate that. I know you only do one trade, but at what point will you personally enter? Okay. Thanks, Laurito. Conde. It's un placer, mi amigo. Gold going to 80-20. That's my expectations, That's my expectations to go there. So let's see. Let's see what we have. We need to break first the 48.15 if you want to continue. So let's see. What your monthly withdrawal usually? I'm trying to secure the 10% per month. 10% per month, 12% per month. So that means 100 $1,200 per month in an account for 10,000. So I would say in 6 months probably I will do the withdrawal for the double of the account. Let's see. It's pure patience. It's pure patience. The process is good. Benzi, the win rate more than 70% per month. Yes, 70% per month. More than 75, usually 78%. It depends of the month. Recommending trading in trading view itself of only MT5. I prefer only trading view. Trading view. Well, nowadays I'm using Cellium, but Cellium is supported by trading view. So for that reason, Cellium looks like trading view. As you can see, here is the icon for trading view. So for that reason, it looks like trading view. Welcome, Boba is here. Based on what time I follow you so far, you got a simple method and very reliable. Yes, it's very simple. It's very simple. And again, if you want to learn, if you want to understand the methods, Telegram is there for learn and understand the strategy. And of course, if you just want the signals, the buy or sell, the Telegram access is there too. It's not for free. just in case the prices is listed into the WhatsApp. Okay, I the strategy I use the volume zones. Benz XELLION is a broker. Elfo nice, thanks my friend. I never see anybody else clear Slorito, super clean, clear instructions. And the strategy as well, yes. My idea is to make it simple, make it simple, make it simple. Well, this is the reality nowadays. The problem is many people is trying to make it very difficult to fancy words, fancy strategies, fancy setups, fancy cars, fancy houses, and everything. And that's not the reality for the 99% of the traders. For the people who enjoy to share these type of things, that's okay. Uh, well, it's like in ads. That's not the reality if you want to be a trader. If you want to be a trader, it's just because you need time. You need time with your family. You need time with your wife. You need time with your uh, fathers, with your father, with your mother, and that's all. It's not about the money. The money gives you time, and that's all. Not a fancy cars, not a luxury houses. Of course, if you want to be a trader living in Dubai, that's okay. That's okay. But the psychology started with this how much you need, for life, and that's good. You know, if you want to be millionaire in a trader millionaire in less than 10 years, it's going to be a difficult. I would say that I am a millionaire here in my country, but if I go into United States and a poor guy, um, and well, of course, I want to be millionaire in every countries. But well, it's pure patience, probably. Um, well, it depends of your decisions, guys. It depends of your decisions. It depends of your consistency, and it depends of your necessities too. Well, of course, uh, if you will see traders with better things than me, but well, it's part of his strategy for make to present, to present all the things with the people. And why? Well, my idea is different. My idea is just present a normal guy uh, in a normal day of trading, just presenting the account, and that's all. Pretty simple. So if I deposit 5,000, no, the maximum deposit is 10,000 for receive the get bon for receive the bonus. If you deposit 5,000, my friend, you will receive 1,000. This is the maximum deposit, but you will receive that extra for $1,000. Okay, so well, your psychology it's very strong. You're confident. Yes, my psychology is very strong because I already passed a lot of things in my life, so I understand like I don't need, like this type of pressure. It's money. It's money, and if I lose money, I can recover tomorrow, next week, next month. Okay, that's the rule. But when the people lose, they think that was the worst state of his life. They were they are suffering a lot, and them so painful, crying, and insults everywhere. But well, it's money, and that money probably you will recover that money tomorrow with no problems. A lot of people trade and hope they get something, but at the end of the day, there's days there where you don't trade at all. A lot of well, I don't understand that. Sorry, Levis. Um, don't trade crazy and 10,000 enter. What's what I like her exactly. No crazy things. I don't need like probably one day I'm going to buy a Ferrari, but it's not this year, and probably next year or something like that. But I don't. You're not going to see me like no risk, no Ferrari because I don't need a fucking Ferrari right now. Even the place where I live in, if I use the Ferrari, probably I will destroy him 10 meters because the street is awful. The streets in my country they are awful. Um, well, that's my reality. Trading is the most boring job in the world since 90% is just waiting and being patient. Exactly. For that reason, I'm not uh, the people who don't like to wait without music. Um, are not going to present me here as a DJ with a lot of energy and everything because now most of the day I'm tired. Why? Because I have a little daughter for 3 years old. Uh, when I just um, get out of the office, I'm going to play with her the whole day. Uh, well, it's tired. It's tired. The people who it, it's a parent, as a father or a mother, they will understand. It's pretty tired. Them 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Okay, guys, TP2, TP2. It's now TP2, guys. TP2, guys. TP2. It's now. TP2 is now 200 pips. 200 pips, guys. Well, congratulations for the ones who are still holding the position. That's great. Share your profits, the ones who are still holding the same trade. I love boring. Yes, I love boring too. Patience in all aspects comes with gift. Exactly. Patience with all the. If you are patient with most of the things in your life, that will be a really good for you. And it's something what I like to teach here into the into the streaming. And Ray teaches well and learn hard the hard way. Exactly, Helpful Nice. It's difficult. So, well, who is still holding? Share your profits and hold the TP3. How's the withdrawal? Is fast or challenging? Benzi, uh, it's faster by USDT. USDT, you will receive your money instantly, basically 10, 30 minutes. That's all by USDT. For example, I on Friday I did a withdrawal. Well, on Thursday I did a withdrawal for $950, and it took 20 minutes, and then I received into my account with no problems. Estamos en una resistencia, sí, estamos en una resistencia, correcto. Cuando compras. Thanks, Lorito. I've learned a lot from you in my first month of trading, especially patience. That's the idea, Danny. Ibrahim. That's the idea. Full patience, full patience. Here in the boring channel for different traders in YouTube. This is the boring channel. Um, Today, some people don't like it, ask me about the setup. The setup looks pretty poor, but well, I don't care about that. It's okay by my side, especially if my wife helped me with the setup. So the setup will continue for at least this year. Okay. So well, don't think I'm poor. I'm pretty rich. Not like a gringo multimillionaire, but I'm pretty rich in another aspects of my life. Not just money, just with my family. It's that's everything for me. I think I sell others TP1 tab again. In TP2, we already take the partials, guys. Okay, so be clear of that. Another partials in TP2, same beam. Arito, in the beginning of trading, I felt like markets watching me. I go on long market drops. Anybody have the same experience? If nice, market don't care about us. They don't care about us. They don't care. Um, that's a totally that idea. It's for that type of traders. Like no, the market always follow the instructions for the now, guys. Market don't care about most 98% of the people who doing trading in the market don't care about us. Trust me, they don't care about us. The other 2% is the big companies, the big banks, the big people. That's all. That's a 2%. The rest is nothing. But don't feel the market is following you or someone is following you for your accounts. You know. No, it's just us taking ground decisions. As simple as that. But yes, you are the best. Thanks, my friend. TP2 guys. TP2 guys. No bad comment today. This followers, pure followers today. Yes, that was beautiful. The haters, I think the haters yesterday felt so bad and just stay quiet. More power buyers up so far. $850 profit. Great, my friend. Still holding for full TP. He used resistance levels and higher lowers. Okay, perfect. If full TP, I'm up 3,000. Perfect, my friend. Beautiful. Thanks for your support, brother. That's the idea. If everyone receive a personal support or just the signal sometime, extra signals. Um, 2 4 signals per day. Tokyo session and New York session. Exactly. Perfect. Good TP1. I did $110. Beautiful. Let's try to TP3. Holding, and that's the other important thing, guys. That's for the people who continue with us. Hold the blue number is very important because most of us will hold the red numbers with no problems, not problems with a lot of faith, you know, to recover that prices. So yes, it's the it's the reality. We need to hold the process. We need to hold the blue numbers, and it's easy. It's easier. Trust me, it's easier. Hold the red. Sorry, it's easier. Hold the green numbers, the blue numbers, than the red numbers. Es más fácil holdear las operaciones en positivo que en negativo. Lo que pasa es que en negativo siempre está el punto de la fe, de que va a volver en positivo, de que aquí y allá, y cuando llega lo cerramos inmediato y luego abrimos otro en una peor posición, ¿verdad? Entonces, siempre que tengan un trade, tienen que holdearlo lo más que puedan en positivo, ¿verdad? No en negativo, para que lo tengan presente. Benzi, crypto, USDT, USDT. If you're going to use Cellium, be ready for your wallet and receive your money because with the bank accounts, it's the same. 1 week business days. You're truly a great father. Your love for family is pure. Have become my daughter 2 weeks too. I'm praying that we'll all succeed. Provide support for our families. That's the same for you. Best wishes for you, my friend. And yes, it's different, you know, when you have a family and everything. You feel you feel the fortune different than just money. Uh, I like this boring channel. Yes, it's most of the time it's like this, and now we're still holding with not too much to do. Okay, perfect. This thing that you discussed straight for me and seven, well, you're right. You still can be very grown. Exactly. Thanks again, bro. It's $173 for today profit with you. Perfect. $1,005 in total. That's great, Paul. Beautiful. Your average is great. Correct. Holding, yes. holding. Who's still holding? Still holding a perfect. Perfect. Holding two positions, 400 pips, 121. Perfect, my friend. Sunrise, bless you too. $50 for Fadam. That's great. Jesus love me. Perfect, my friend. Same for you. He's from Costa Rica. Yes, I'm from Costa Rica. I used to have two or three viewers from Costa Rica, but sometimes they disappear. Sometimes it's hard to cut the losses. It's pretty hard. When you come to Kenya, please alert me. You're an amazing person so far on YouTube. I'm still holding up to the TP3. Kenya looks beautiful. You know, I want to be in Africa for see the animals. I will advise. I will advise. Yes, there is a chance to always communication on the map. Eventually, the prize has to arrive. I think adding background music. Add your own background music, my friend. It's better. Trust me. Exactly. Use your own music for trade. If you want to, if you want to a DJ, you have Lorenzo. Lorenzo is almost a DJ too. It will be a very interesting background music there. Good trade, bro. Well done. Perfect. Today I'm trying to recuperate my loss from yesterday. Perfect, my friend. Let's see, holding Chuck Lee is holding. I would change the just the B to 48, I think. 4802. 4802, that would be nice. Okay, hello from Spain. Welcome to Spain, bro. Quiero ir a España, sí. Eh, igual, seguramente vaya tipo en agosto, por ahí. Va a depender mucho de la bebé y los viajes largos. Para llegar a España son como 13 horas. Entonces va a ser duro. Igual creo que iría primera clase, algo así, para tener espacio. Okay, thanks, man. And out now for 4820. It's late in Philippines now. Midnight already. Thank you, Manuel Conde. A pleasure, my friend, and thanks for your support. Remember, guys, if you want to be part of the community, the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. Okay, so be clear of that. You're the best. We enjoy in your Telegram. Trick loses today's for me, Jesus Marwane. More than welcome, my friend. I'm pretty sure with the Telegram, will help you to recover that money without too much problems. 65 in profit with three trades using zero. That's your one. Scary is perfect, my friend. That's great. That's great. And good lot size for your account. Just smart. Thank you, Dorito. God bless you, you and your family. Thanks, my friend. It's a pleasure. Let's see. Alexandreira. I know Alexandre Pereira. Thank you. It's a pleasure, my friend. Well, as I will recommend for 900, 0.05, 0.05, no more than that. What load? Okay, the scale of liquidations in the current beer market has been more severe than in previous cycle. As a result, many investors have already exit one Bitcoin fall to fall. It's very unlikely. Probably yes, but that's just the conditions what we have. According the our friend for Donald Trump, our best friend to Donald Trump, we need to survive 3 more years, 3 years and some months more to this type of markets because, of course, if the deal for Iran will be solved today, they will find another situation around the world for starting other things, and it will continue for 3 years more. 3 years more. I appreciate you, bro. Your patience, your approach to the markets is great. Thanks, my friend. I started New York session. Go Trump, go! I missed the train. Yes, I start the every day in New York session. Costa Rica next. No, because we don't have any political issues, you know. So, so most of the time they don't care about us. We don't have a dictator. We have a full democratic government. Um, well, this is the this is the this is the reality here in my country. We don't have an army. Um, we're pretty safe, you know. We got many gringos living here. More gringos live here in Costa Rica than ticos live in the United States. That would tell you something, you know. Hola Laurito, una cuenta de 15,000 de fondeo que el otro día me recomiendas. Julio Lora, mi amigo, mucho tiempo. Eh, 0.06 máximo, mi amigo. Ujú, ujú, ujú. Mm. What is your opinion about IRM? I don't share, the that type of things like the women's is they need to use that type of dresses and everything. They're so strict with the religion. I'm not okay with that, to be honest. I really like the freedom, the freedom. You're a person. You do whatever you want. If you want to be naked into the streets, that's a problem. But if you want to do a bikini in the streets, no one cares about that. So yes, probably I'm a father of one beautiful to my daughter for 3 years old. I can imagine my daughter uh, growing up in Iran. So I don't like Iran. The rules very strict and everything. I like my country. Relax, pura vida style. Uh, no one care about us. And again, more citizens from the United States live here in Costa Rica than the Costa Rican live in the United States. So that's that will tell you something. Like it's a great country with a really bad infrastructure for the street. Yes, with a really bad um the public services. Yes, it's really bad the public services, but we have at least uh, it's a nice culture. It's a nice, very quiet and with no problems. We're not thinking about the wars and that type of things. Well, it's a beautiful country. It's a beautiful country, and I think all of the guys living in a different country they think like Costa Rica is like this. Ahorita se pueden apreciar estudio que plantear nuevamente. No, bonito. Déjalo ir. Holdee, holdee. La próxima, holdea. Thank you, sir. Good signal now. Your knowledge. Greetings from Indonesia. God bless you and your family. Perfect, my friend. Bro, what's USA doing in Iran? I don't know. The United States like to conquest different um, different concrete countries around the world, control everything. And well, this is what United States do. Not too much to give the opinion. Ahorita una pregunta, los 300 que llevas ahorita, estos son muy buenos, ¿por qué no llevarte la mayor parte de ese? A ver si lo... eh, Ya cumplí, digamos, el target de hoy. Entre hoy y ayer son $1,100. Eh, la verdad sí creo que puede subir al 48.32. Entonces, por ejemplo, ayer si hubiera cerrado en TP2, me voy con $300. No cerré en TP2 y me fui con $900. Esa es la diferencia. Así que es igual, paciencia, nada más. Holdeando los blue numbers. So why do you like Iran? They are defending themselves. Yes, for sure. The thing I don't like the rules for Iran, for the very conservative, you know. Um, and that's all. They have the opportunity to defending themselves, yes. But I think it's a different culture. Different culture is a must to respect the that culture. But the country is beautiful, you know, the infrastructure, the history, um, the places there. What I saw in the videos is beautiful, and the people there looks pretty nice. Even here into the Discord, into the Telegram, I have a beautiful people there, really nice clients. Um, but that doesn't mean I shared, you know, their point of view. You know, like a very conservative. No, I like to go to the beach and drink and smoke the whole weekend if I want, you know, with my wife in bikini. Um, and that's all. That's what I like, you know, and that's my dream, you know, just buy a house in front of the beach in a hill, drinking every sunset, good whiskey with a cigarette, with my wife next to me, with $2 or $3 million in my wallet, with no problems. My daughter play in the pool in front of the sunset. That would be nice. Beautiful. But probably if I live in Iran, I'm not going to drink with my wife, and they probably she can't drink or smoke, or my daughter probably they had my little daughter probably they she is a must to use the that type of dress covering all the body, and that's not the um that's not my good idea, you know, to just my the two girls, my the most important girls in my life, as a type of lift now. But well, it's a point of view. Um, um, at J, my stop is now in 48.02. It's a break even. There is a hivap even in France, and it's a choice in most Muslim countries. Yes, I don't share the Muslim rules. Yes, the hivap. I think that's the dress. Even I don't like the the religions. Religions with trading is not a good mix. Even if you are Christian or Catholic, Muslim. Uh, no, Iran is a state baker of Hezbollah. Yes, the Hezbollah. I don't like that, guys. Weirdest thing, bro. Which religion is this? Mm, yeah, the thing is, again, I don't like the religions. I just trust in God, and that's all. For that reason, I'm successful because I'm not mixing the trading with uh, with religions. I just wake up and pray for a good day, and that's all. I'm just trying to be a good person, respect the others, respect the space of the others, and that's all. If you want to, if everyone is going to be like most of the people here into the chat, like they respect the all point of view, probably everyone is going to be in peace. But no, um, we're different. But well, Morocco is Islamic country, but people are so respectful, and you can smoke and do whatever you want. Morocco looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. But this is the countries where I want to be there. But that's the thing. I respect you. You will respect me. But I'm not. I'm going to feel good, like in a Muslim or Islamic country, because trust me, here in Central America we are so different. Here in Central America, you do whatever you want, and that's all. And for that reason, it's a kind of mess here. Hibaps, exactly. Let's talk about trading things. Yeah, there's not too much to talk with trading right now because I'm holding here. I'm holding. I already explained why I take this position and everything. I'm a responsible drinker. Drinker. Yes, I'm a responsible drinker. But yes, alcohol is if I'm an alcoholic, of course, I'm not going to be here in front of you guys. I'm really responsible with that, and I'm pretty sure exactly. That's okay. That's totally valid, Lewis. Hey, it's your decisions. That's their life, you know. But mix trading with mixed trading with religion is not a good option. Trust me. Just if you want to pray before you are going to start your session, that's great. And pray after you end the session, that's great. But during the session, don't think in God. Don't think like, please God, this is that's me again. Help me with this position or something like that. That's not going to help you. I want to ask one question. Only what tool you use to clarify your position? I use the for clarify the position. I use the candles, the candle confirmations. Gold, I think. Wanda from United States. I'm not sure for United States, to be honest. Um. Mhm. Es que te porque yo sueño contigo. Oh, that's good for gold. Okay, perfect. So when it's talking about the speech, what's your from, bro? I'm from Costa Rica. I found an account and it lets you use lot size. No other broker does that. Perfect. Any more trades today? No, that's all. I think that's all. You can use Xellion, but just with USDT, my friend. And the KYC would be a no would be a problem. But you're going to use the app for Xellion. Then the withdrawals by USDT. That was a good trade, I must say. No complaints from my side. Yes, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Let's see what happened. 200 pips in positive. That's great. Um, 1,100 in 2 days. That's great too. I already secured the 1,300 if we touch the B, so that's okay by my side. I'm going to hold the TP3 as much as I can, and let's see what happened. So, well, let's see. The recuperemos el lugar. Looks great. Looks great. Looks good. Good ratio. ID. Do you prop prims, prop accounts? Yes. Prop accounts. If you want to test what is the best option for you, my friend, just use the prop for match.com. There you will see what is the best option for you according your necessities, my friend. Okay, just go there. I use FXI5. Some people don't like FXI5, but they trust me since they start. Nowadays, they are 3 years into the market, and I remember when I start with them, um, they have around, I don't know, months, 6 or 7 months into the market. Um, this year, I think they will the the 4 year next November or October, something like this. 4 years into the market with the FXA5. Well, that's nice. That's nice. That's great. I'm pretty loyal when the companies trust me. Do you take the partials so far? Yes, I already take the partials. So, well, guys, the price, the trade is still there. I'm going to eat something. I'm back. Okay, stay there. I'll be back. Remember, if you want to contact by me, the Telegram signals or receive extra support is not for free. It's $192. Okay, $192 for the Telegram. So, well, back soon in 10 minutes, probably. I'll be back. So well guys, full take profit. Ahí está, espero que José siga viendo por ahí el envío del por qué no cerré la operación cuando se veía por ahí. Estamos con un full take profit, full TP, 350 pips in positive. Muy bien. Full take profit, guys. Full take profit, share your profit, the ones who follow instructions. And make a full take profit. That's very important. Plus 250 pips. So let me read the chat. Yes, okay. Good volume for buyers. Start to come back. All tips down. Yes. Have two accounts with the fighters. Very okay. Good. Okay. 57 secured. Full TP. Another beautiful day. Beautiful day. I'm tired of winning. Tired of winning. Yeah, wins for days. Thank you, Larito. Full TP. Strong Lake. Beautiful. Hold on, team. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Larito. You're amazing. Lots of love from here. Please come back again. See you. Perfect, dear. Going to the next resistance. Man, perfect. Like, nice, Tom. Farsa, $200. Beautiful. Onurus, $506. Great. $50. Great. El Monito, $34. Great, too. Con comes tremendo, Laurito. También un vinito desde Chile, claro que sí. Más que apreciados esos vinitos. Que bueno, un vinito chileno. Infunder account. Wow, that's too much, my friend. $11,000. Beautiful. Congratulations for all the winners today. Do you stream every day? Yes, every day. Rata, $700. Rana, $25. Thank you, Laurito. $213. Nice race. Unfortunately, I missed this trade. Congratulations for everyone who take advantage of this trade. Beautiful. Is anyone else dancing XM withdrawal problem? Facing withdrawal XM. My friend, if you don't want to test any problem with USDT withdrawals, I invite you to create the account with XELLION, this beautiful broker, and you're not going to face any problem with that withdrawals. Eleganta, $90. For black pearls, $415. Beautiful. Great. Great, guys. And congratulations for the ones who take the position, who hold the position, follow instructions. And it's beautiful to arrive to the 4,000 finally. Let's see. Let's see what we have for tomorrow. Beautiful and good job, guys. Remember, if you want to work with us into the Telegram and Discord, just go into the WhatsApp. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts, guys. Okay? God bless you. You're helping a lot of families. That's the idea, my friend. That's the idea. Thanks to you, my friend. Congratulations to you also. Thanks, my friend. All my knowledge will apply in this beautiful trade. That was great. So well, I'm going to finish my breakfast and back. So well, guys, full take profit. That's all. The next point of entry, it's around 48.50, no more than that. For the how can I say, the this beautiful trade was by some 350 pips. 506.10. Ok, 1610. 1,610 pips in positive for 11 trades of April with gold into the Telegram month trades. So that's beautiful. That's great. That's pretty nice. Con compra decir, pero regreso hasta Tokio en 6 horas. Y Tokyo Session, recuerden que es para la gente de Telegram y Discord. Just remember the next sell zone, it's around 48.50. That's the next sell zone. Full TP for the ones who do the full TP, and just go, guys, and relax. Take your time. Take care. So, well, beautiful. Beautiful profit. Beautiful full take profit, guys. See you soon. See you tomorrow with the same attitude. Today, the chat was very nice, pretty good. So, so great. That's pretty good. See you soon. If you are interested to receive more signals, just come with us into the Telegram access and the Discord support. Contact me by WhatsApp. It's $192 the signals, 2 4 signals per day, guys. Okay. If you want to work with this beautiful broker, there is a certain link for sure. And see you everyone into the Telegram and Discord for the next Tokyo session. When is the next Tokyo session? In 7 hours. Okay, so see you there. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understand. This is trading, and this is pretty difficult what we are doing here right now. And well, sometimes we have a really good successful like this, and sometimes no. So it's all about the process. It's all about the patience. Hopefully, everyone here receive a really good money today with this. Okay, I appreciate the good comments, the likes, the 7 dislikes. It's okay. And well, this is part of it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your trust. Thanks for your process. And for sure, thanks for your patience, guys. Okay. So again, the ones who wants to be part of the community, the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. Okay, by WhatsApp. If the access is not for free, it's $192. So see you soon there, guys. And thanks